asserting that he does not know for a fact whether his estranged wife, Christine Baumgartner, had extramarital affairs. Kevin Costner insisted that he had been faithful to her throughout their marriage. The Yellowstone actor, 68, who recently asserted that his ex, 49, is purposefully attempting to delay their divorce, has been involved in turbulent divorce proceedings ever since Christine filed on May 1st. The mother of three has asked for more proof of Costner's financial stability in a new legal request for order, which People was able to obtain. Expenses related to any extramarital romantic relationships that you paid for yourself or anyone else at your request or on your behalf were among the requests. The request is proposed only for the purpose of harassment, is overbroad as to time period and subject matter, burdensome, oppressive, and impermissibly compound, according to the star's legal team. His lawyers went on to say that the request made by Christine and her lawyers is not relevant to the subject matter because there is no community property between the former couple following their divorce. In addition, Costner and his team stated that they did not know with certainty whether Christine had any extramarital romantic relationships prior to their separation or, if so, whether she used any of his funds or incurred any costs for her affairs, using credit cards he had paid for. According to the star's legal team, Kevin has no responsive documents for extramarital romantic relationships that he engaged in, because he engaged in none. The publication reports that Marilyn B. Christine's request, according to Chinitz, is not unusual. The request for expenses paid relating to any extramarital romantic relationships should be dropped as it is irrelevant, harassing, and amounts to nothing more than a fishing expedition, the author continued. The Dances with Wolves actor and the handbag designer wed for the first time in 2004 in Aspen, Colorado, and have 3 children together: Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13. But in May, Christine filed for divorce after almost 19 years of marriage, purportedly blindsiding the Hollywood star and coming as an unpleasant surprise, a source told People at the time. His estranged wife recently claimed that Kevin has been withholding his financial records regarding his $400 million fortune, as their divorce has become increasingly acrimonious. Following a review of the court records, People reported on Wednesday that the designer claimed in legal documents submitted to California's Superior Court on Monday that the 68-year-old Academy Award-winning actor has withheld relevant documents from the case. Since their divorce, Baumgartner and Costner have engaged in public arguments over how she has chosen to live. Baumgartner has been requesting documents outlining his future endeavors and anticipated income for work on the upcoming film series Horizon, among other things. Christine asked the judge to issue an order compelling Costner to provide the requested documents, with a hearing for child support scheduled for next week and another in November that will examine the premarital agreement in the case. Her team claimed the actor has been stonewalling them when it comes to disclosing pertinent information. Baumgartner claims she felt compelled to sign the prenup, which guarantees her a $1.5 million payout in the event of the marriage ending. The court in July awarded Baumgartner $129,755 per month in child support. In court documents, Costner's attorneys stated that he has requested a multi-day evidentiary hearing on Baumgartner's request for child support, at which time the court will receive evidence regarding Costner's gross cash flow available for support, and anticipated future income. The lawyers stated that Baumgartner will be unable to present any evidence that Costner has chosen to withhold from discovery, adding that the court will need to receive evidence regarding those circumstances to make its determination. Costner declared in June that he disagreed with Baumgartner's initial request for $248,000 in monthly child support. The actor, who earned about $20 million in 2022, claimed that the sum was unaffordable because his salary is expected to be substantially less now that he has left the series Yellowstone. Legal counsel for Baumgartner demanded information about Horizon and claimed that Costner's team withheld it, noting that such documents evidence his future endeavors and anticipate